I'm Harry Potter.
Today I'm building my Nimbus 2000 and I was going to film this intro when I was a bit better because you could hear I'm really sick right now and I look like a mess, but that's just what my channel is, so we're going to go with it. And today I am building my Nimbus 2000. If you didn't know, I'm a Potterhead and I've always wanted to make my own Nimbus 2000, so that's what we're doing today. So I thought, bring you guys along. I'm not good at this vlogging thing, it's horrible. Right, go to time lapse. Okay, it's a little bit later and I forgot to show you guys what we're using to make my Nimbus 2000. So I may have bought the biggest broomstick. Ow, it's really sharp. Biggest broomstick. Like, I'm going to basically remove all of this and like shape it better because this is not what a Nimbus 2000 looks like. I also don't like the handle on that because it's not very Harry Potter-y. So from my garden I have this, which looks way more like a Nimbus, it looks like any sort of broomstick. Like, it looks more jaggedy and natural, and that's what I'm gonna do. So, and I'm also going to engrave a Nimbus 2000 on here, I think. Yeah.
You're a wizard, Harry.
so bright. Oh my god. I finished my Nimbus 2000 with the help of my mum. My mum did the majority of everything. But my Nimbus 2000. I was just going to leave the video as it was, but I didn't really explain much about the broom itself and like little details that are in it. So this took us 2 days. We used like a brown varnishing, a couple layers of that, and it really made the wood the right colour. And it's got its logo, Nimbus 2000 logo. The one thing I can do that's creative is copywriting, and that's it. So I can do any Harry Potter writing really well. So I did the Nimbus 2000 thing, and I'm really happy with all of it. And it's even got its number plate that's ridden up a bit, but oh well. Its number plate, and it's 001 because it's the first one. Oh, I'm in love, honestly. Then here's the actual broom itself, shaped, trimmed. It's got thread, you can't see it. Oh, you can see a bit there. There's thread kind of keeping its shape throughout. But I didn't want, because I know the replicas of the Nimbus 2000 are made with like a mould and then they just stick broom things around it. But I did not want to do that. So this is complete broom, there is no mould. You can see all the way through it. I love it. It comes up to like my neck in height. And I'm in love. And if you're wondering what I'm going to do with this is going to hang in my room because I have slanted walls, as you can see. So it's going to stand on one of my walls proudly unless I want to go flying. It cost me about £12 to make, 2 days of time. That was it. And I much prefer the look of this compared to the replica because I don't know, it just seems more natural because it's like an actual broomstick. And it doesn't cost me $350, so I'm in love. Leave your houses down below if you haven't realised already. Gryffindor. Leave your houses down below, and I hope to make more Harry Potter videos in the future if you guys like it. So give it a like if you did, and I'll know to do more. Thank you guys for watching. Stay magic. That was the weirdest little outro. What?